How to fix TikTok favorite sounds not showing. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store or an App Store. In the search bar, search for TikTok, and then head over to this app. Right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of your device. Move into apps. Tap on see all apps. Scroll all the way down and search for the application TikTok, and then head over to it. Move into storage and cache. You need to clear the cache and the storage of this application. While clearing the cache and storage will remove all of the unwanted bugs from the application, and it might also fix the issue that you have been facing on TikTok. But if you are still facing the issue, you can simply report a problem, and then you need to provide all of the details of your issue that you have been facing on TikTok. Once the report has been submitted, within 24 hours the TikTok support will definitely come up with some solution for you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix TikTok favorite sounds not showing. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.